Managing costs and how to implement the progressive wage model. These were among the concerns raised in a dialogue by over 100 employers from the retail, hospitality and F&B sector. The dialogue was organized by the Manpower Ministry and the Singapore National Employers Federation. It sought to gather feedback after the wage model was rolled out for these sectors in September. Our sector-specific progressive wage models are meant to uplift lower wage workers through higher salaries and upskilling programs. But employers bear the burden of these wage increases and face difficulties in paying workers more. Some businesses say it is tough to qualify for government wage support. That's because of the differences in computing work hours and the short-term nature of certain jobs. One employer says there is a ripple effect as wages across her entire business will be affected by the wage model.
And we cannot just streamline to just one department because it's across the board kind of thing. If let's say we really want to look at wages as a whole, so it has to be across the board. We have to review it across the board. It's not just for F&B per se because we still have other positions that we have to look into.
A senior Minister of State for Manpower, Zaki Mohammed, says even as wages rise, businesses should boost employee productivity. This makes higher costs more sustainable and justifiable as workers can be redeployed to different roles. He added that the progressive wage credit scheme will co-fund wage increases over the next 5 years. This will help ease the cost burden on businesses.
Employers spoke to us as part of the initiative, and we took on board the concerns that businesses are just recovering. You're going to push up salary costs, but at the same time, how can government support? And that's why we came up with a progressive wage credit scheme. The co-funding support will cost us about 3.5 billion, but really it's I would say something that's essential. That's our part too, as part of the compact to help businesses, to help our workers to